Are you tired of complicated budgets with too many categories? Do you find yourself getting lost in a sea of numbers and receipts, feeling like you'll never get a handle on your finances? Do spreadsheets and budgeting apps make your head spin? Are you constantly switching between different tools, hoping to find one that finally makes sense? You're not alone. Many people feel overwhelmed by the thought of tracking every single penny. The stress of managing finances can be daunting, but it doesn't have to be this way. Relax. There's a simpler way to manage your money, the 50-30-20 rule. This method breaks down your budget into 3 easy-to-understand categories, making financial management a breeze. This easy-to-follow method can help you gain control of your finances without the stress. Imagine having a clear, straightforward plan that helps you allocate your money efficiently. No more complicated spreadsheets or confusing apps. Say goodbye to the frustration of trying to balance countless categories and hello to simplicity. Just 3 simple categories to keep your money organized and working for you. The 50-30-20 rule divides your income into needs, wants, and savings, making it easy to see where your money is going. It's time to say goodbye to budgeting frustration and hello to financial peace of mind. With this method, you can finally feel confident about your financial future. The 50-30-20 rule is here to make managing your money a breeze. Embrace this simple yet effective approach and watch your financial stress melt away. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple yet effective budgeting method that divides your after-tax income into 3 main categories: needs, wants, and savings. This rule is designed to help you manage your money in a balanced way, ensuring that you cover essential expenses, enjoy some of your earnings, and save for the future. You allocate 50% of your income to needs, which include essential expenses like housing, utilities, groceries, and transportation. These are the non-negotiable costs that you must cover to maintain a basic standard of living. 30% of your income goes to wants. These are the discretionary expenses that enhance your lifestyle, such as dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. It's important to enjoy your money, but within reason. Finally, 20% is allocated to savings and debt repayment. This portion helps you build a financial cushion for emergencies, invest for the future, and pay down any existing debts. This straightforward approach helps you prioritize essential expenses, enjoy your money, and build a strong financial foundation. By following this rule, you can achieve a balanced financial life. It's about finding a balance between living in the present and planning for the future. The 50-30-20 rule encourages mindful spending and saving habits. The 50-30-20 rule is a guideline, not a rigid rule. It's flexible and can be adjusted to fit your unique financial situation and goals. You can adjust the percentages slightly to fit your individual circumstances and financial goals. The key is to find a balance that works for you and helps you achieve financial stability and peace of mind. Needs are expenses that are essential for your basic living and well-being. These are the things you absolutely need to pay for every month. Needs include housing costs like rent or mortgage payments, utilities such as electricity and water, groceries to keep you fed, transportation costs to get to work or school, and healthcare expenses like insurance premiums or doctor's visits. Remember, these are just examples, and your specific needs may vary. The key is to identify the non-negotiable expenses you must cover each month. Section 4, Wants, the fun stuff. Wants are expenses that bring you joy and enhance your life but aren't essential for survival. These are the things that make life more enjoyable. Wants include dining out at restaurants, entertainment like movies or concerts, hobbies like photography or painting, shopping for clothes or gadgets, and travel adventures. Think of wants as the extras you can enjoy after covering your essential needs and savings goals. Section 5. Savings, your safety net, and future goals. Savings represent the portion of your income that you set aside for future needs and aspirations. This money is not just for emergencies, but also for achieving dreams and securing your future. This is your financial safety net and the key to achieving your long-term goals. It provides a cushion that can help you navigate life's uncertainties and seize opportunities when they arise. Savings include building an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, or sudden job loss. This fund ensures that you are prepared for life's surprises. Saving for a down payment on a home is another crucial goal. Owning a home can provide stability and a sense of accomplishment. Additionally, investing for retirement is essential to ensure you can enjoy your golden years without financial stress. Paying off debt like student loans or credit cards is also a significant part of your savings plan. Reducing debt can free up more of your income for other important goals. And don't forget about saving for your children's education. Setting aside money for their future can help them avoid the burden of student loans and give them a strong start in life. By consistently saving a portion of your income, you create a brighter and more secure future for yourself and your loved ones. This disciplined approach to saving can lead to financial freedom and peace of mind.